PaPa's coming to you from my campsite out in my backfield. This is going to be a Canteen Cup Tuesday. Today we're making Wise creamy pasta and vegetable. This was a sample pack they sent me. And we're going to add some premium white chicken to it out of a can. Says to boil 1 cup of water. So we're going to put 1 cup of water in our Canteen cup, roughly. Off of it. What white chicken looks like. Lid on. Okay, I think the water is boiling, so it says to pour the packet in and stir it. Not eat inside it, so you take that out. And it says to turn the heat off and let it stand, cover and let it stand for 12 to 15 minutes. Time. And yes, I forgot to put the handle up, but it's cool enough I can pick it up. It says to take the lid off and let it stand. So we're going to pour it into my plate now. Let it stand for a minute or two to cool off. And spill it. Let's bring the camera up. And this is what it looks like. And now for the taste test. Tastes pretty good. Might be able to put a little bit of salt and pepper on it, depending on your taste. Maybe some hot sauce if that's what you like. Well, thank you for joining me on Canteen Cup Tuesday. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up.